Hello, and welcome back to AIM Apple. If you've been having trouble with Microsoft Teams, like slow performance, frequent crashes, or strange glitches, you're in the right place. Today, we'll explore multiple detailed methods to clear the Microsoft Teams cache on both Mac and Windows. A clean cache can greatly enhance your experience, so let's jump right in. First, let's quickly discuss what the cache is. The cache is temporary storage that helps Microsoft Teams load faster. However, over time, this cache can become cluttered, leading to performance issues. Regularly clearing it can help keep your application running smoothly. Let's start with Windows users. Here are several detailed methods you can use to clear the Teams cache. Look for the Teams icon in your taskbar, which is typically located at the bottom of your screen. Right-click the icon, and in the context menu that appears, click on Quit. This will ensure that Teams is completely closed before you proceed. Press the Windows key on your keyboard and the R key at the same time. This will open the Run dialog box. In the Run dialog box, you'll see a text field. Type the following command exactly as shown. After typing the command, click the OK button or press Enter on your keyboard. This will open the Teams folder in File Explorer. In the Teams folder that opens, you'll see several folders. Look for these specific folders: Cache, Blob Storage, Databases, GPU Cache, Indexed DB, Local Storage. To delete these folders, click on each one while holding down the Ctrl key to select multiple folders at once. Then right-click on any selected folder and choose Delete. Confirm any prompts that appear. Now, close the File Explorer window. Go to your Start menu, type Microsoft Teams, and click on it to launch the application again. Check if everything is running more smoothly. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager directly. Alternatively, you can right-click on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen and select Task Manager. In the Task Manager window, look for the Processes tab at the top. Click on it to view all running applications. Scroll down to find Microsoft Teams. Once you find it, right-click on it and select End Task. This will completely close the application. Repeat steps 2 to 5 from Method 1 above to clear the cache. Click on the Start menu and type Settings. Click on the Settings app that appears in the results. In the Settings window, click on Apps. You'll see a list of installed applications. Scroll down to find Microsoft Teams, click on it, and then click the Uninstall button. Open your web browser and go to the official Microsoft Teams download page. Click on Download Teams and follow the on-screen instructions to reinstall the application. Now, let's focus on our Mac users. Here are the detailed methods you can use to clear the Teams cache. Look for the Teams icon in your dock at the bottom of your screen. right-click on the icon and select Quit to close the application completely. Click on the Finder icon located in your dock. This opens a new Finder window. In the menu bar at the top of your screen, click on Go. While the drop-down menu is open, hold down the Option key on your keyboard. You'll see Library appear in the menu. Click on Library to open it. Once in the Library folder, look for the Application Support folder. Open it. Then find and open the Microsoft folder, and finally open the Teams folder. Inside the Teams folder, look for those specific folders we deleted in Windows. Select all of these folders by holding down the Command key and clicking on each one. Once selected, right-click on any highlighted folder and choose Move to Trash. Close the Finder window. Open your Applications folder. Find Microsoft Teams and double-click it to relaunch the application. Check if the performance has improved. Go to the Applications folder. Then open the Utilities folder. Double-click on Terminal to launch it. In the Terminal window, type the following command carefully. Press Enter to execute the command. This will delete the Teams cache files. Then close the Terminal window. Open Microsoft Teams again from your Applications folder and see how it performs. Open the Applications folder by clicking on the Finder icon, then selecting Applications from the sidebar. Find Microsoft Teams in the list, right-click on it, and select Move to Trash. Open your web browser and navigate to the official Microsoft Teams download page. Click on Download Teams and follow the on-screen instructions to install the application again. And there you have it, multiple detailed methods to clear the Microsoft Teams cache on both Mac and Windows. Regularly clearing your cache can help maintain optimal performance and a smoother user experience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.